Hello, hello everyone. My name is Vaibhav Vilas Amane. Today's date 19 June 2024. Today is in this topic what is Java. Java is a simple programming language. Java Java makes writing, compiling and debugging programming easy. It helps to create create reusable code and module modular modular programs. Java is class based high level programming language, and Java stands for just another virtual accelerator. Java is developed by James Gosling in the 1995. Features of Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java is platform-independent language. Java is a portable language. And Java is a secure language. Java supports by multi-threading. Simple as compared to C and C++. Java is widely used in web applications, mobile applications, software tools, big data technology. Java is high performance language with the use of just in time compiles. Java enables high performance. Java is portable language. Java support by threads operations. They have high level functionalities. Java don't have virtual keywords. Java can run on any OS. Java is platform independent language. Java is JDK. Java provides JDK in Java development kit. Java development kit in JRE development tools. Java, JavaC, Java W, Java Docs. JRE is Java runtime environment. Java runtime environment in JVM, Java classes. Java JVM in class load files, execution engine. Java in control statement. Control statements are conditional statements are three parts: conditional statement, jump statement, loop statement. Conditional statement, EPL statement, EPL statement, EPL statement. if else statement, if later if statement, nested if, switch statement, while statement is a while loop, do while loop, for loop, jump statement, break, continue, break, continue, return. In Java functions, thank you.